Hello my friends, welcome back to Hosted by Chrissy. Today I'm participating in the DIY Thrifted Cake Stand Challenge hosted by my sister Lacee of Lacee Space. I'll link Lacee's channel down below in the description box along with the playlist as soon as it becomes available. Lacee has challenged all of the participants to create a DIY cake stand from thrifted items. I have several thrifted items and just a couple of items that I had left over from other projects that I'll be using. And make sure, if you're new to my channel, please be sure to subscribe. Click that subscribe button down below right now. You'll see my little new gray logo. I hope you like that. And also make sure you click the notification button so that you receive all of the notifications of new contents that posted. If you like today's video, be sure to leave a thumbs up too. That lets YouTube know that this is the type of content they want to see on the channel. Thanks again, and I hope you enjoy. I have a ceramic plate that I picked up at Goodwill. It was half off of Pink Day, so I got this one for $3.50. It's one of the modern pieces by Dwell magazine from Target. I also picked up this additional ceramic piece. I love the copper detail on it. This one was 99 cents and half off. I have some leftover jewelry bales left over from another project. These are available at Michael's stores. I also have a rose gold toned necklace or chain. This is also from Michael's. This was $3.99, but I did get half off by using a coupon. I also have some faux pearls. These were picked up from Goodwill. They were also a pink price, so they're listed as $1.99. I got them for 99 cents. There is some ribbon. I love the little wooden spool this is on. This was a clearance item from Target. This was a 90% off item. You can see it's marked $6. I paid 60 cents last year during Christmas. And I'll be using a little bit of this. I have some metallic craft paint, a paintbrush, just a real thin one, scissors, E6000 glue, glue sticks, and my glue gun.